bicycle punches. It burns a lot, but no pain, no gain. So this is my posture, like this. Now I can decide to lock my fingers like this, but it's advisable you keep it a little bit like this so that you don't go turning your neck. This is not how it's meant to be. Your fingers are like this, then you 1, 2, 3. See the legs. This is how the legs go. Slide down, 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 down. So if I want to count 10, posture like this, neck off the ground, not on the ground like this. Neck off.
So ayé ni mi máa bẹ́ sí mi torí mo deep gan. Pẹ́ẹ́pẹ́ẹ́ dọ̀wọ́ yín mo lẹ́nu bíbọn. Ọmọ tẹ́ ń torí ẹ̀bẹ̀ bí chimpanzee. Mo fún touch your toe everyday bí 230. Wos kò lè yẹ o complicate. Made in China yàtọ̀ sí fún tó duplicate. Iṣẹ́ tó jẹ́ kó nígbà kan gbàgbé face. Káfárá tó já ìbílẹ̀ ti sáré nu gate.